Hello my darlings, Simone Pichon here. In this video I'm going to talk about the full moon in Aquarius that happens on the 24th July 2021. It's a beautiful full moon. Even though Aquarius is an air sign, it carries this vessel of water from the cosmos towards humanity, towards the earth. The Aquarian energy is a beautiful energy of the collective, bringing people together, community, seeing everybody as one, as a whole. Is an energy of creation. We have lots of scientists and teachers, engineers, that brings these energies of inventions, new discoveries. So you might receive downloads of new music. If you are a teacher, something new to teach your students, a musician. So lots of things can happen in this full moon. Just align yourself with the divine to receive the blessings and the omens. For this full moon, I would like to do an activation for cleansing, healing the body, especially the emotional body. So you can sit down or lay down if you feel like. Relax completely the body. Just breathe in, exhaling, breathing in the divine white light, exhaling. Exhaling any stress, any tension, just breathe the pure white light from Yahweh. And letting everything go, letting the frustration go from last year or this year. Any negativity that these years carried, leaving the body now, especially in the mental body. Leaving all the negative thoughts and stress and worries from this whole pandemic. From all these months of isolation, letting everything go now. I'm hearing that this is the fruition. So this old timeline is gone. It's time for flowers, for happiness. Beautiful. So I'd like you to visualize this beautiful vessel, this beautiful vessel of water of Aquarius. From heavens, the water barrier, the Divine Mother Shekinah pouring down this water from heavens into your crown chakra, healing, energizing, purifying your crown chakra, opening this white flower. So you allow yourself to receive this purification, this water cleansing, illuminating your crown chakra. Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Aligning your brain left and right, healing the cells of your brain, this water, cleansing, crystalline water. Clearing now the third eye chakra, the mind, aligning your mind with the divine mind of Yahweh. Purifying the mind, the third eye, the eyes, membranes of the eyes, iris. Beautiful, so you can see things clearly, no illusion. Healing now the throat chakra, purifying the throat, parathyroid, thyroid glands, purifying, healing any frustration in the throat, any negative self-talk or any aggressive communication. This water barrier, water from the Mother Shekinah pouring, healing, giving nutrition, nourishment to your throat, cleansing the vocal cords, purifying the vocal cords. Healing any dissatisfaction with life, healing now in the throat. So you can express yourself freely, speak your truth, healing lies, deception in the throat. Beautiful water now in the heart. The sacred temple of love, unconditional love for yourself and others. Healing now, I can see this one, both like a heart in your heart. White. Shekinah, Shekinah, Shekinah. Maria, Maria, Maria. Yeshua, Yeshua, Yeshua. Divine, 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 divine is in your heart. The divine is in your heart. It's beautiful water, cleansing, purifying the heart chakra. Take away any grievances, any sadness, any depression in your heart. Give you love, laughter. Feel good inside. Good emotions, good feelings. You're ready now to blossom. Beautiful rose blossoming. Healing now the solar plexus, intestines, large, small, pancreas, liver, kidneys, the two scales, the kidneys left and right. Cleansing now, purifying the bladder, gallbladder, healing, energizing your digestive system. Passion, enthusiasm, optimism. Leaving the ego, the lower mind. Healing, healing, healing. The nerves here in the belly, the guts. Healing, healing, healing. Wonderful. This white, purifying light and water. Healing now the sacral chakra. Healing any blockages in your sacral chakra, where sometimes you feel stuck in life, there's no movement, you don't achieve your success, sometimes you feel that you're a failure, sometimes healing that now. Giving you motion, movement, healing the sacral chakra, the waters in the sacral chakra, healing your emotions, healing your sexuality, healing sexual organs, fertility in the body, fertility in your life, in your projects, in your domestic life, fertility, expansion of your sacral chakra. You can see more colors, shapes and dances. You move freely. Beautiful Pleiadian energy coming in of dance, ballet, movement. You move freely. You have this passion for life. Yay! Happiness! I can see now attraction. People are attracted to you because you have this beautiful Shekinah vibration flowing. And finally healing now this beautiful white water from the Mother Shekinah, healing the root chakra, the cox, the base of your spine, healing legs, knees, thighs, feet, soles of the feet, the bones, the skin, the structure, grounding you to Mother Gaia, grounding you, give you nutrition, happiness, enlightenment. That this full moon in Aquarius on the 24th can bring lots and lots of awareness, higher consciousness, inventions, creativity, new ideas. You can feel good on yourself, you feel good on your own skin. Wonderful. Take a deep breath in. Beautiful. Wonderful. So I'm just gonna seal your energy now with the protection of God. Shukre, 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 shukre. Shukre, 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 shukre. Protecting your aura, the 7 layers of your aura, your 7 chakras, main chakras. Protection of the moon chakras, chakras of your palms, chakrams of your feet. Sealing. There's no attachments, there's no lower energies or lower vibrations around you, near you. You're free. You can blossom. Okay, so I have the crystal deck here, and let's see what's the energies that the cards want to give to us for this full moon. Aquarians energies. Oh, that's lovely. Apophyllite, beautiful. Clear crystal. Beautiful energies. And it says, stay positive. Amazing. That's all I was saying before in this activation. So bringing all the optimism, the rich imagination, positive thoughts, positive ideas, positive music. You can move and you can play and you can feel yourself. You feel good in yourself, and you can make others feel good because you're so good, you're so centered, your chakras are balanced, you're full of the divine consciousness, you're full of Shekinah, the Mother, Yahweh, the Father, so you're grounded on the earth, and you bring this beautiful positive vibration to earth, so to your colleagues, your sisters, your brothers, in your family, your kids, so you can have this beautiful triangle like the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, yourself, God, and Shekinah. In your family, you, your spouse, and your kids, or you, yourself, and your energies of love and expansion and enlightenment. So very beautiful energies. It's so funny because it looks like the same vibration, similar energies. So I hope you have a lovely day, an expansion of a consciousness day, and you can thrive in life. You can be positive, more positive than ever, more happy than ever, joyful than ever, and you can grow and expand in your body, in your chakras, and also in your daily life with your neighborhood or people around you. Expand yourself and spread the joy. Expand yourself and spread the joy. I love you so much. I hope you have a lovely, glorious day full of joy, empathy, love, unconditional love, optimism, and rich imagination. I see you soon. Take good care of yourself, and I see you. Blessings. Bye.